If you want to visualize your data set in Google Sheet and grab attention of user on a specific year data set, then I will show you how to create this totally dynamic chart in Google Sheet. For example, I have 5 year of data set on monthly basis and I have a dynamic drop down. If I simply update the drop down and select any other year, you can see my line chart automatically update. So how we can create this amazing chart in Google Sheet, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have this data set. The first thing we need to create a helper calculation table. I will click on L3 cell, for example, simply type equal, click on B3 cell, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula on the right side and now simply drag till the end of data set. Now for only 1 year I drag this formula. On the end I will simply type a very simple function type equal text function, open parenthesis. In this case I will select the year, comma, and now simply type quotation mark 2 times hash quotation mark again close parenthesis, hit enter. Now we simply convert the year on a text value. Again I will do the same step, but in this case I will simply type equal and select 2022, hit enter and drag this formula till the end of data set. And now I will simply copy this function, hit Ctrl C, click here, Ctrl V. And the same step I will do for each and every year. Now you can see I just reference my table leaving one column blank, but on the very end I use this simple formula text function and I simply reference the header row. For understanding purpose, I will simply bold this text, hit Ctrl B, and also I will bold the name of months. And this is just for understanding purpose. The next thing we need to create a drop down here. I will simply click on I3, click on data validation, add a rule, drop down from a range, select data range, click here, and I will simply select all of the years, hit OK, scroll a little bit more. In this case, I like the arrow format. Simply hit done and close this window. I will change the color of my drop down to light orange color, and now I can simply select any of the year. The only column we need to create here a dynamic column. So I will simply type, let's say dynamic, and here I will type a very simple XLOOKUP function. XLOOKUP, where is the search key? This is my search key. Where you want to look up this search key, I want to look up in this whole table, hit comma, and I want to return this entire data set. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and now you can select any of the year. It will automatically pull only those select year data. The last thing, we also need to show a selected year as a text format here. So I will type a very easy formula again, text function, open parenthesis. I will click on my drop down this time, hit comma. For the format, I will simply type 2 times hash, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now my data set are fully ready for the chart. I will simply select all of my data set excluding the header row. Click on Insert, Chart. I will change the chart type to a line chart, smooth line chart. The next thing, I will click on Customize, click on Series. Make sure you select Apply to all series, select the light gray color. Scroll a little bit more, click on Data Label. On the data label, you can see now we have a custom data label as well. Simply select the custom data label. For the label position, I want on the right side. For the text color, I will choose, let's say, this dark gray color. and I will bold this as well. I think we don't need the legend, so I will click on the legend and simply hit delete key. I will click on my chart and simply reduce the plot area a little bit more. Now I will scroll up, click again on series. This time I will select the line number 6, which is a dynamic line. For the line color, I will choose the dark brown color, and for the point size, I will choose 7 point. Scroll a little bit more. For the data label, I will select, let's say, the same brown color. And now I will close this window. Now my chart is fully ready. If I simply update the options from the drop down, each and everything is totally dynamic. Now I will do a little bit more formatting. The first thing, I will select all of these columns and simply choose the white font color. The next thing, I will click on view and simply off the grid line. The last thing, I will simply copy this chart title, hit Ctrl C, click on chart, click on these 3 icon, edit chart, customize, and here I will simply paste my chart title. Now I will close this editor window and our chart is fully ready. If I select any other year, each and everything is totally dynamic. I hope you enjoyed this technique and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video.